Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to talk about a classic dish that's sure to satisfy your taste buds, fried chicken. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make this delicious treat. First things first, let's talk about the chicken. We're using a whole chicken, but you can also use chicken thighs or drumsticks. Start by removing the skin, but leave the fat on the chicken. Next, season the chicken with salt and pepper. Now, let's move on to the batter. In a bowl, combine all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Whisk in water until the mixture is smooth and thick. To make the coating, combine all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Whisk in water until the mixture is smooth and thick. Once the batter is ready, coat the chicken in the flour mixture. Then, dip the chicken into the batter and coat it thoroughly. Now, it's time to fry the chicken. Heat oil in a large pot or deep fryer to 350 F175C. Carefully lower the chicken into the hot oil and fry until golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. Delicious fried chicken, ready to be enjoyed by you and your loved ones. Remember, the key to making the perfect fried chicken is to ensure that the oil is hot enough. If the oil is too cold, the chicken will absorb too much oil and become greasy. On the other hand, if the oil is too hot, the chicken will cook too quickly and the coating will not be crispy. So, when frying chicken, it's important to maintain a consistent temperature. Use a thermometer to monitor the oil temperature and adjust it as needed. That's it for today's cooking tutorial, folks. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make fried chicken and that you'll give it a try in your own kitchen. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!